So today we are going to be showing you how to add a little accent to a classic winged eyeliner look.
Yeah, so we were in Michael's not too long ago and we saw these like fun crystal sticker things and we're like, why don't we just add that to our makeup because that could look pretty fun.
I've also always loved just adding like one little dot of color or of the same color as my wing to my eyeliner just for like a little added
yeah, just
level
like
of interest.
a little fun accent.
Yeah, so we're going to show you really easy accents to make your look a little more
Fun, yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine I'm going to work, and this is my makeup. Then I come home and I'm going out for a party. And I'm like, I want to look a bit bejeweled, so I put on some jewels.
Bejeweled. So we both are wearing black eye, like our base makeup, eyebrows, and just eyeliner. That's all we're wearing. So we're gonna start with some jewels.
Okay, kind of open. Okay, so on my face, I'm gonna be putting these really fun heart jewelies.
I'm gonna be putting light green color. Am I gonna go light green? And I'll be putting it just underneath the outer corner of my eye.
And I'm going to be putting one of these hearts at the very end of my wing.
Super cute.
I don't know what size I want.
So they're really hard to put on, just if you have long nails. You kind of...
Please excuse my
Greta's
eczema hands too.
Greta's having an easier time than I am.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. That was really easy.
Because I have longer nails and it's...
Oh, they're so cute! This would be cute for Valentine's Day since they're little hearts. Oh no. The trick is, or the hard part is just getting them evenly placed. That's mine.
Yeah, so when you get them on, yeah, I've actually I wore these out for New Year's. I put one on each side in the same place I'm doing now. And I was worried it would fall off, but it actually stayed on the whole night. So that was good. You just need to press it on.
Yeah, and the good thing about these sheets too is there's like 1,000. So if they fall off, like, you can just stick another one on.
They're like $3 each or something.
So this is a really fun accent. Just like, you know, I just have a bit of shimmer on my face and it's not glitter, it's jewels. Nice.
Ta-da!
Ha-la-la.
Simple and easy.
So for my first dot look, I'm going to be using this blue SEPHORA eyeliner and I'm going to be putting one dot in the corners of my eyes.
And I'm going to be doing a look I've seen so many times and I've worn so many times, which is just a simple dot with your eyeliner in the middle of your eye right underneath. And I'm using the Revlon ColorStay Skinny, which is super precise and really good for doing something like this.
So when I do this, I just like, instead of making like a little speck, I'm just drawing like a tiny circle so you can really see the color. Or else it's just going to look a little bit like a speck of makeup.
Same, it's almost like a beauty mark that goes right underneath your eye. It's a little hard to get it even, so you might need a Q-tip with some makeup remover to try a couple times, but it's pretty simple.
Ah, yeah. Ooh, that's so fun.
I love this look because I feel like a doll. I don't know, I feel like a vintage doll or something.
You kind of, yeah. And with this one, because it's like electric blue, it really makes your eyes pop. And just in an interesting way.
We're going to show you a second way to add dots to your eyeliner look. We're going to be both using different colors from each other and in different places.
Yes. So I'm going to be drawing 3 little dots at the end of my wing. So it kind of continues it. In this blue SEPHORA shade again.
And I'm going to be drawing 3 dots on top of my wing in Makeup Forever's AquaXL Hot Pink shade. I'm going to be using a liner brush because this is a paint, like a eye paint, and just using the pointy tip part of it.
No! Sorry.
Again, this is, doing this really fine dots, it might take a couple tries because it's, about precision, even though it's simple.
I got 2 dots
so
on there.
Be discouraged.
So with my dots, I kind of got a bit smaller as I went. But that's how it looks. It's a fun little accent.
It's actually pretty simple. I had no problems with mine.
Yeah, me neither.
I was expecting it to be more tricky.
The nice thing about these SEPHORA liquid liners is the tip is, or the applicator tip is very fine and skinny. Does that look even?
It does. The angle on this is
Yay!
slightly more up, but like you really don't notice.
I can't do anything right,
Honestly.
now, for this look,
We're gonna do one last jewel one.
yes, we're gonna be using these little pearls.
We haven't used these yet, so we're just gonna kind of experiment.
I feel like it's gonna be hard to put them on because they're a bit more fine, but I am going to be putting 3 pearls around this thing. What's this called again?
Tear
Hole?
Tear?
It's not a tear hole, that's for sure.
I'm gonna be putting them underneath my eye. I want a white eyeliner to put underneath to kind of frost it before the pearl, but I don't have one at the moment. I can't find it, so I'm gonna be using a frosty blue underneath.
Oh goddamn, this is already not good. Oh, nope. Nope. Okay, got one. Haha. What am I gonna do? No.
Yep. Can't deny this is very tricky. I feel like if you like,
Depends what kind of jewels you're using. These ones are small, so
I feel like if you like pick them up with tweezers to put them on, would maybe be easier.
yeah, of course. Ha! Ha ha! Just love it when you get it
Oh,
even.
that one's on the ground.
This looks cool. Pearls look cool.
Ooh.
They make you look fancy.
I don't know what I should do. Should I do 3 clustered? Or like 3?
I'm
I
doing
wish I had
3.
different sizes. It'd be kind of cool. But...
I know.
Ooh. That's kind of interesting. Ooh.
Guys, we're so fancy. Ooh, that looks cool. Sorry. Ah yeah, I'm done.
Sorry, I'm
No, it's fine.
obviously having more trouble.
It's like jewelry for the face.
Look at that.
I almost feel like a bit more sophisticated since it's pearls, you know?
Yeah. And it feels royal.
I do feel royal. So, that's it for our little accent looks.
We hope you enjoyed our tutorial.
And watching us struggle to put jewels on our face.
But yeah, we think this is really fun just to like add to your existing makeup or just put on if you're going out.
When you don't know what you want to do, like if you've already experimented with a bunch of colors and doing different eyeliners, it's fun just adding something that you wouldn't even think of, like jewels from Michaels.
Yeah. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like below.
Yes, please, because we're going to be having lots of cool new videos for you guys to watch and get you guys all excited about makeup. So have a great day.